Hey biscuits! Welcome back to the channel. Have you been liking me adding the vlogs on here? So normally I do my daily vlogging and my travel vlogging and move them over to my main channel. But right now I'm locked out of my main The Wholesome Feed channel on my desktop, not on other devices, just my desktop. Makes no sense, it's like a Google Mail security crunch down. They won't let me recover it right now. I'm hoping eventually they will. So those vlogs are a little bit long and bigger files for me to upload over there. So I've been putting them on this channel. I think that's a kind of fun. This started out as a vlogging channel and then it kind of moved into lifestyle because I thought, oh, kind of fun to have parenting on one, lifestyle on the other. So I'm kind of merging them back together for now. But as always, Sundays are a cleaning day. You can check out on the other channel. Mondays are mom outfit try on inspo, so we're going through my closet, sometimes new things, sometimes oldies but goldies, and just kind of getting inspired for what we can find and repurpose and wear to feel good in our bodies. Wednesday is What I Ate Wednesday, and then Fridays is a Fitness Friday, so I always do a fitness vlog on Fridays. I'm starting next week because I'm doing my spring lineup. And then on this channel we do Tuesday, Thursday vlogs as best I can. It's a lot of videos to upload. And then Sundays are our cleaning day. So come along, I have a huge project to do. I am cleaning the play and craft area in the living room. I'm doing the living room and the little entryway area by my front door. And I'm just trying to get that towel tidied up because it is a horrendous mess. It has just gotten out of hand and I need to clean it. I think next week I might upload either a kitchen or a bathroom cleaning vlog for you guys. Let me know what you would like to see most, biscuits. Because both those areas need a good spring deep scrubbing. And I'll probably clean both areas, but I'll probably only film one of them because it just takes extra work to film. So let me know, tell me in the comments. Let's get cleaning. This place needs a good tidy. Oh, you're wondering why I'm in this weird outfit. I'm in my yoga onesie. I'm shooting a yoga vlog for Fitness Friday for my main channel, and I thought, I'm really short on time today. The week has just gotten away from me, and I have this really short window to shoot my vlogs in, so I'm just going with one outfit for all. It's working. Come along. we made it through, we cleaned. Yeah. I hope that you love these cleaning vlogs and they inspire you to get your home tidy and to tackle certain areas, get them all clean, and then go on to the next area. And you saw that as I was going through like the craft area, I was organizing stuff. So I bought bins at the dollar store. One holds all his coloring books and paper. I actually bought a third bin that I haven't used yet to store all his little crafty things. I have a little utensil holder caddy that holds glue, kid scissors, pencils and crayons and things, because that way there's everywhere has something to be organized in, and I can just come through and do like a speed clean, power clean, and just tidy it up. So I kind of set myself an hour for this, and that is, yeah, that's been what it has taken. And I showed you all my mopping and my scrubbing up. So I am doing a lot more scrubbing of surfaces with the coronavirus around, because we are in the epicenter in Washington of it, and it is a little scary. And you know, we aren't the most targeted demographic, but I have respiratory issues that makes me really want to like stay as healthy as we can. We're just trying to stay extra safe. You know, I've been scrubbing door handles, I've been scrubbing walls and surfaces where our coats and our backpacks go and things, and I've been washing backpacks. That's a really good thing to do. Take your kids' backpacks, stick them in the wash, put a little bit of, tiny bit of bleach, but only if you have a good bleach distribution system in your washer so that it doesn't spot your backpacks. And just clean things, you know, wash, wash, wash. You can't clean too much right now. It's a really good thing. Hey, I'm going to see you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget, click on over to the other channel as well. Check out both my pages. And in between vlogs, I'm always posting up on Instagram. I especially like to post about my books. I don't know how many of you are following along on my authors page on Amazon. That's one of the best places to go because it has the most updates for any of my books that are coming out. I have a whole bunch of fun ones. I have paranormal and sci-fi ones. So go on, take a peek, and let me know in the comments which of my books is your favorite so far. See you around. Bye, biscuits.